Hi, welcome to Happy Yarny. I'm so happy to have you here. Today, let's spend some time together, crocheting this lovely toast. I'm using sport weight yarn with a 2.0mm crochet hook. First, let's start with the bread. Start with a slip knot. Remember this, doesn't count as a stitch. Now chain 12. Then starting from the second chain from dot the hook, crochet 11 single crochets. Chain 1 and turn, then crochet 11 single crochets across. Now just repeat the same pattern for each row. We need a total of 10 rows. Alright, moving on to row 11. Let's start by making a chain 1. First, work 1/2 double crochet. Followed by a double crochet. Now we're going to make 2 treble dot crochets. Remember to yarn over twice for these. Next, crochet 1 double crochet, then a single crochet. And 1 more double crochet. Then, repeat the peak by making 2 more treble crochets. Make a double crochet, then a 1/2 double crochet, and finish with a slip stitch. Make 2 pieces. Join 2 pieces together to crochet the border. Slip stitch, then work a single crochet into the same stitch. Next, crochet 3 increases. 3 single crochets. Three more increases. Work 1 more single crochet. Then continue to single crochet all the way around until you reach the end of the row. Now let's make the egg white. Start with a dot magic ring and crochet 6 single crochets into it. Place a marker in the first stitch if you're worried about losing track. Slip stitch into the first stitch at the end of each round. Then chain 1 to start the next row. Round 2. Work 6 increases. That means you'll dot crochet 2 single crochets into each stitch. At the end of round 2, slip stitch into the first stitch. Pull the yarn tight to hide the slip stitch so it doesn't show. Round 3. Crochet 1 single crochet followed by an increase. Repeat this 6 times around. First, work a single crochet and a half double dot crochet into the same stitch. Then, work a half double crochet and a bot double crochet into the same stitch. Follow that with a double crochet increase. Next, crochet a double crochet and a half double crochet together. Then a half double crochet and a single dot crochet in the same stitch. Work 1 single crochet in the next. A single crochet and half double crochet in one stitch. Then, work a half double crochet and a double dot crochet both into the same stitch. Followed by a double crochet and half double crochet together. Then one single crochet and a slip stitch. Work one single crochet. Then a single crochet and half double crochet together. Followed by a half double crochet and a single crochet, both into the same stitch. Finish with one single crochet, a half double crochet increase. One last single crochet and a slip stitch to close. Cut the yarn and weave in the ends to finish. Round 1. Start with 6 single crochets into a magic ring. Round 2. Work 6 increases. Round 3. Simply crochet. 12 single crochets around. Now let's make the green onion. Start by chaining 8. From the second chain from the hook, work a slip stitch. Then 2 single crochets. An increase. Two more single crochets and finish with a slip stitch. Cut the yarn. Change to a darker green yarn. Work 5 slip stitches along the edge to give knot it more detail. Glue the yolk onto the egg white. Now, let's assemble everything. Apply glue to the back of each piece and stick them onto the bread slice. Arrange the egg and green onions, however. You like to make it look delicious. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials.